Hello and welcome back to AB Tutor Tips. This week I'm going to talk about merging duplicate clients after reinstall. After a computer gets a full operating system wipe and reinstall, when the AB client connects to the server for the first time, the server will consider it to be a brand new device. This is to make sure it doesn't accidentally treat two real computers as one just because they have the same name. This is unlikely if the site owns all of the computers. However, if users are bringing in their own devices, you could end up with at least two called Tom's laptop or similar. On the other hand, when a computer has been reinstalled or replaced, you will probably want to treat it as if nothing had happened, and would prefer not to have to configure groups, policies and so on again from scratch. In order to solve this, we have the device merge feature. This allows you to search the AB database for computers which match according to various criteria. They can then be merged, which combines their settings, including group membership, applied policies, events and so on. To run a merge, start by logging into your central server's web interface. Select Devices from the left menu and then the Merge tab. The server will automatically search for any devices with matching host names and display them in the Matched box. All unique devices on your network will be displayed in the Unmatched box. If you want to change the match options, you can click the button at the top of the screen, which will allow you to specify creation date and whether the server checks for matching host names, MAC addresses, AD SIDs or AD descriptions. You can select more than one of these if you want to be absolutely sure. In most cases, MAC addresses will ensure they are the same physical computer, whereas hostname will ensure they are a computer in the same place if you've named your computers according to their location, for example, calling a computer room 315. If you want to tweak the merge, you can drag devices around in the two boxes. Any devices that are nested beneath each other, as shown by the indents, will be merged into a single entry. Once you're happy with the merges shown, click the Merge button at the bottom of the page, and the server will start to combine the devices as instructed. If there is a lot of data for these devices, the process can take a few minutes, but once it finishes, you'll see a brief report of the merge and your database will be back to normal and your users can carry on using AB Tutor without needing you to reconfigure all the groups. Typically, you will want to run a merge each time you reinstall computers to keep everything tidy and working as normal. I hope that's answered any questions you have about merging duplicate devices. However, if you need any further help, please email us at support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.